Can you tell us how do you see the post-COVID-19 world order?
The post COVID-19 world will be different in three ways. Firstly, humanity as a whole will come to realize that we all live on the same boat. Before globalization, when 7.5 billion people lived in 193 separate countries, it was as though we were living in 193 separate boats. Today, all of us live in 193 separate cabins on the same boat, which has become like the ill-fated Diamond Princess of Japan. Secondly, it'll become clear to many countries all around the world that on balance, the East Asian countries, including China, Singapore, and South Korea, have responded better to COVID-19 than many Western countries. People will therefore realize the wisdom of having both the invisible hand of free markets and the visible hand of good governance to balance each other. Thirdly, at the individual level, we will appreciate the importance of investing in our good health.
Clearly, we are in a time of resilience. But could you tell us, Mr. Mahbubani, what is your understanding of resilience for countries?
Different countries display resilience in different ways. Just compare the US with China. The US believes that freedom of choice and even chaos leads to resilience. China has demonstrated its resilience by being the world's oldest continuous civilization. And this is also shown in their responses to COVID-19. Edward Luce, a Financial Times correspondent, wrote on 17 April 2020 that COVID-19 offers a unique stress test of each country's resilience. Some nation states are holding up well. In spite of its unmatched scientific prowess, the US is not. That's what Edward Luce says. It's true that so far, the US has not done well. Yet it is equally true, as Winston Churchill said, you can always count on the Americans to do the right thing after they have tried everything else. So after its initial chaotic responses, the US could bounce back and show resilience. China has demonstrated its resilience in other ways. Chinese civilization has been around much longer, over 4,000 years, compared to only 250 for the US. With this longer track record, it has demonstrated that it is clearly the most resilient civilization in the world. As Professor Wang Gangwu, Asia's greatest historian, has said, Chinese civilization is the only civilization that has been knocked down 4 times and stood up 4 times. In the 21st century, China's civilization is coming back with great strength and overcoming challenges like COVID-19.
Well, thank you very much, Mr. Mahbubani, for this rich conversation. We spoke about the resilience of countries, but we could also speak about the resilience of ideas. And your ideas are resilient. Thank you very much.